Today, we are adding UltraKill into my game, and also adding new levels. What kind of aspects are we going to add from UltraKill to my game? The only aspects that I could find that would fit my game would be adding just like the coin flip and the parry mechanics into my game. The way the coin flipping works within UltraKill is you use your green pistol, and then you flip your coin up into the air, and then while the coin is in the air, you have a chance to shoot it with any type of weapon, and then the bullet ricochets off that coin and hits just any enemy. So what I'm going to do for my game is when the coin is flipped in the air, while it's floating in the air, it's similar to how the UltraKill system works, but when you shoot it in the air, it'll ricochet to the enemies nearest to it. It'll have like a little radius that it will shoot between, but it'll hit every single enemy that is within that radius and deal a small extra amount of damage to them. This is how it looks within game. I think it kind of fits the vibe pretty well, and it feels pretty nice to shoot the coin. And I like the sound effects that I added with it. Since we finished working on the coin flipping, we now have to work on how to add parrying into my game. I'm not going to take the exact path that UltraKill took for parrying. Like, I'm not going to show your hand when you're parrying or anything like that. It's going to be like a spin on your weapon, and then it's going to show like a little particle effect right afterwards of like that you actually parried and confirm your parry. This is how it looks within the game. I like how it feels right now. I think it feels pretty impactful for when you do parry something, and I think it just feels pretty nice to do within the game. Lastly, we have the second layer of the game and how that'll look and just work in general. But right now I'm not going to show you the second layer boss, but I will show you the first layer boss and how that'll work within the game. And also, this will be the same boss that'll be released when the demo is released. Here's what the second layer will look like. I was going for more of like a party-ish vibe and trying to go for like kind of disco-ish feel with like the synthesizers on the walls and how those move based on the beat and how that all works. Within the second zone, there contains two new enemies. One is using a shield, one is going to be using a spread attack. Also, if you've noticed throughout the video that the game looks a little bit different, that's because I've been working on the UI and all the player animations and trying to polish them up as much as possible and making them feel a little more impactful when you're in combat. Lastly, I am planning on working on a demo for the next Steam Next Fest and getting that as polished as possible. Would you guys want me to make like a way for you guys to be able to playtest the game sooner? Let me know your thoughts. This is where we're going to end the devlog, but for the next devlog, we're going to be covering all the new weapons, abilities, and gadgets that I've added into the game, and how those work within the game systems now, and also the new cards that I've added into the game. And, well, I'll thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next one.